Okay, so I just ordered a label maker that it appears I can write software for. So we'll see. So my game plan, let's go through parts of a hive and how I plan to apply Python and computer vision and Linux and microcontrollers and all these things. So it's starting to, the sun is setting, so I'm going to try to cover this. So this is an entrance. Then you've got an entrance reducer. So if you look, there is a little metal net. And then this is a deep super, this is a feeder, and this is a cover. And so I prefer, let's see, let's get a good shot of that one. Ooh, that's a lot of bees. So I prefer to do 2 deep supers, then a queen excluder, then regular, okay, I gotta back up, they're buzzing me. I prefer 2 deep supers, a queen excluder, regular super, and then just keep stacking regular supers and stick feeders on top. And so my game plan for how I'm going to use all this stuff, all this technology applied to agriculture, is to sit there and put a QR code either on the outside, although I do worry about sun bleaching, or up underneath the feeder. So then with my phone, instead of having to start and stop or take notes or do all this stuff while I'm in a full suit, which is very cumbersome, I'll just sit there and just leave video recording, maybe even put my phone on a tripod. And then I will sit there and scan QR codes. So I'm basically scanning my beehive like I would, items at a grocery store. So I'll stick QR codes on each of the supers, feeders, things like that. And then I will stick barcodes, like those old school UPC barcodes. I think they're called one-dimensional barcodes, but I'll stick those on each of the frames. And so then I can sit there and split the video apart automatically with Python and computer vision. So I'll have maybe like a 30-minute video, and instead of having to start and stop and try to take notes and fumble with gloves and my beekeeper suit and all that, I can sit there and just scan. So say it's like barcode 1, 2, 3. So first scan is it coming within frame. Then I just take notes. Then I scan it again. And then I sit there and have information then where I can maybe pull like voice to text and have it automatically transcribed. So that's kind of my current game plan. Let's see where it goes. I've been moving pretty slowly since I've been distracted with so many other things. But that's my current game plan for how I'm going to apply Python, OpenCV, and maybe a Raspberry Pi and all these different things, and a lot of cloud computing, since I don't have a reliable connection and also don't want to put a bunch of servers out here. And so that's how I'm going to try to tie it all together to really kind of expedite and simplify technology-fueled agriculture.